Inglewood, California. Two masked men are seen climbing a fence and walking up to what looks like a modern home. They find access and break inside the house. 2 minutes later, they're seen running from the front door to a white getaway car with black door handles. Statistics say that most burglaries happen in the middle of the day in broad daylight.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring Cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring Cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring Cam.